Let's take a look at a homework problem. A ball is kicked horizontally at 8 meters per second from a cliff 80 meters high. How far from the base of the cliff will the ball strike the ground? Our answer is 32 meters, but let's prove it. Horizontal in X and vertical, otherwise known as Y. I'm going to make a table here and list what I know. So horizontally, our velocity Vx is 8 meters per second. Vertically, I know dy, that's the distance, is negative 80 meters. I call it negative because it's down. I also know that acceleration is also down, and it's 10 meters per second squared in the down direction. I don't know how long it falls, and I'll have to figure that out in a minute. The question is asking me dx, how far away from the cliff does the stone strike the ground, or the ball strike the ground? But in order to do that, I need to substitute into this equation dx is equal to vx times t, and I don't know t. So I'll get t from over here. I have the equation that says that dy is equal to 1/2 a t squared. So if I rearrange that equation, I end up with t is equal to the square root of 2 dy over a. So I'm going to substitute in on this side and solve for t over here. T is equal to the square root of 2. dy is negative 80 meters divided by negative 10 meters per second squared. If you're really concerned about these negative numbers, they cancel each other out. That's the square root of 160 meters over 10 meters per second squared. So time is equal to the square root of 16 seconds squared, which is, of course, 4 seconds. So I'm going to use this time over here in this equation. dx is equal to vx times t. dx is equal to 8 meters per second times 4 seconds. dx is equal to 32 meters because the seconds cancel each other out. And this is the answer to the first homework problem.